Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session we are going to look into do while loop, that is another control flow. So far we have already seen the for loop and the while loop. On the same aspect, do while loop is also used for looping the content of the collection data type, but it has different syntax. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand this topic. In our last session we have seen this example and you are aware about what actually this program is doing. So it is basically iterating this fruit ball array that contains three elements and it is converting from a smaller case to uppercase. So for this example we are going to perform the same exercise but with the help of do while loop. So let's convert this program in the form of do while loop. So what we need to do, we need to take out this condition and we need to put it over here, and then we need to specify over here do, and remaining thing is going to be the same. So what will happen, this will perform the same activity what we were achieving through the while loop and the for loop. But the only difference is that prior to checking the condition, it will perform the code block execution, which we need some time in different scenario, not in this particular scenario. It is required to execute the do code block earlier than condition check. And we want that our loop should execute at least once in our programming logic. So let's look into the output. So here output wise you will not find any differences. It is performing the same activities which we were achieving through the for loop as well as the while loop. We are achieving the same with the do while loop. So you must be asking that what actually the benefit of using do while loop compared to the other loop. So the benefit out of it, whenever we want to execute the loop at least once, then we can use the do while loop. So for example, if I initialize the value with 2, and what happened when it will go inside the loop, it will increment it 3 and we will check that 3 is less than 3. Even though this condition is not satisfying, it executed at least once, and because of that the last element get into uppercase. So let's look into the output, and here you will find that it did the same. We have initialized the I with 2, even though after incrementing the value of I within the loop to 3, still the do while loop is able to convert it from a smaller case to the uppercase. So this loop is very useful whenever we want to execute the condition at least once, even though criteria is not meeting. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.